I've made a really cool little template for you guys to use to make a waterfall chart, and you can find that at condensedmba.com/waterfall, and there'll be a place for you to download this very template. But basically what this will do is enable you to show either savings or overruns on a budget, or I suppose anything that you want to change these column headers to. What this is basically saying in this graph, but again, you can make it whatever you want by changing the number in this column or this cell and these cells. In this instance, we have a budget of 600, but we actually spent 1150. And there are a number of other spends within our year that were either overruns or they were savings to equal the total up to the actual spend. So for instance, let's say we spent $300 more than we wanted to on janitorial supplies. And then we actually had a savings. We spent 150 less than we thought on computer printing paper. And then we overran our spend again by, let's say, 250 on, electric bill. And then the final spend we will calculate here, say we went over by another 150 on the water bill. The last spend, which will be other, will be automatically calculated to get you back down to the actual spend. And so anytime there is a negative number, that's actually a good thing. It's a savings. So we want to find the savings, X, and show that it was actually a savings. The same with other. If the amount of the bar brings you back down to the actual spend, it will be a green. Whereas, let's say we have a case where here we're actually, this last one will be a spend, not a savings. So we'll make it red. We'll make this savings green. And we'll make this spend red again. A couple things to remember. This number here cannot be a savings or negative because it screws up the formula in the template. So if you have any savings, make sure you do it in these first 3 cells. And let's see what else is there to remember. You can change the column headers here, and this will have to be a scenario where you have overrun the budget. If you guys like to see an example of it the other way, where your actual spend was less than your budget, I can try working on that template, but the formulas get kind of complicated. But if you have a need for that, let me know. Feel free to email me at brian@condensednba.com. Thanks a lot, and I hope this template helps, guys.